Starting a local service business, like dog walking or yard work, is the simplest way to make money without a job. You don't need a resume or years of experience. What you actually need is something much simpler. You need a useful service and one conversation. That's where this starts. If you look around your neighborhood right now, you'll see small problems everywhere. Dogs that need walking, yards that need cleaning, houses that need basic upkeep. None of these require a resume. None of them require a computer. They just require someone willing to show up and do the work. Here's the simple system. Pick one service you can do today. Not 5, not 10, just one. Dog walking, basic cleaning, yard work, errands within walking distance. Keep it simple enough that you don't need training or equipment beyond what you already have. You can start with apps like Rover or TaskRabbit. Or, better yet, go direct in your neighborhood through door-to-door outreach. Next, create a one-sentence offer. Not a pitch, not a speech, just something clear and direct. Hi, I live nearby. I help with yard work and small cleanups. I'm available this week. That's enough. Then do the part most people avoid. Go talk to people, walk your block, knock on a few doors. Visit a local spot. You're not trying to convince everyone. You're just looking for one yes. And here's what happens when you do this. The first conversation feels awkward. The second one is easier. By the 5th or 10th, you start to see patterns. People ask the same questions. They want to know what you do, how much it costs, and when you're available. For pricing strategy, keep it simple. Dog walkers on platforms like Wag earn $15.25 per 30-minute walk, so price competitively. It's your business. Once you answer those questions clearly, things start to move. Now you have your first job. And this is where most people make a mistake. They treat it like a one-time thing. But the real value is not the first job. It's what comes after. If you show up on time, do exactly what you said, and leave things better than you found them, you don't just get paid once. You create the opportunity for repeat work and recurring revenue. Instead of asking, "Do you need this again?" make it simple. "I can come back next week at the same time if that works." Now you're not selling. You're offering a routine. And routine is where money becomes steady. This is how small services turn into real income. One client becomes two become five becomes a weekly schedule. At that point, you're not looking for work anymore, you're managing it. This is the solopreneur model in action, building a route-based micro-business from your home base. And the numbers are not complicated. 3 small jobs a day can easily turn into consistent weekly income. A few regular clients can cover basic expenses. And a simple route through your neighborhood can remove wasted time and effort. This isn't about building a big business. It's about building something that works. Something simple. Something that fits your life. Most people never try this. Not because it's hard, but because it feels too simple. But simple is the advantage. Simple gets you started. Simple builds momentum. If you're stuck right now, don't overthink this. Pick one service, talk to a few people, get one yes. That's enough to begin. If you want a deeper breakdown of how to choose the right service, what to say, how to price it, and how to turn it into steady income, I've put everything into a simple step-by-step guide. You can find it in the description. It's there for anyone who's ready to take this seriously and actually start.